Long-form YouTube videos take forever to make. You have to write the script, record the voiceover, find the visuals, search for stock footage, add captions, edit every scene, fix the pacing, and then finally export the video. But what if there was a way to create full long-form YouTube videos, the kind that actually have a chance to go viral in just a few minutes? Today, I'm testing a tool called DVOcean. It claims to take your voiceover and turn it into a complete cinematic YouTube video from start to finish. But you're gonna have to stay tuned because it has a revolutionary feature that no other program has. So no filming, no editing timeline, no searching for clips for hours, just audio in and a finished out. So watch this video until the end because we're gonna find out if DVOcean is the kind of AI tool that helps creators make real money online, or if it's just another disappointing AI tool making big promises. So what's up, everyone? JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. On this channel, I test AI tools that help creators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners save time, create content faster, and potentially build real online income streams. And if you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe buttons. We have some really cool videos coming up shortly. So today we're gonna look at DVOcean, one of the few AI tools that is trying to create full long-form videos from soup to nuts. Not just short clips, not just AI images, not just random stock footage. I'm talking about full YouTube style video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what DVOcean is, what it does, and whether this could actually help you create viral long form YouTube videos faster. And if you didn't know this, more people are hopping on the YouTube bandwagon because yes, there is money to be made in creating long-form videos in niche channels. Now let's talk about the big question. Can a tool like DVOcean and vidRush actually help you make money? The answer is possibly, but not by itself. This is important. No AI tool automatically makes you rich. The tool does not magically pick the perfect niche. It does not guarantee viral videos. It does not guarantee monetization. It does not guarantee that people will even watch your content. But what it can potentially do is speed up the production process, and that matters. Because if you're trying to build a faceless YouTube channel, create content for clients, grow an educational brand, or test different video ideas, production speed is a major advantage. Making money is not randomly clicking buttons. The money is in using tools like this with a strategy. You need a good niche, you need strong topics, and you still need good hooks. You also need titles and thumbnails that people want to click, and you still need to understand your audience. But if DVOcean helps you create videos faster, then it could help you test more ideas, publish more consistently, and potentially grow faster. So the better question is not, can DVOcean make me rich? The better question is, can DVOcean help me create enough quality content to build a real channel or content business? And that's what we're gonna find out. All right, let's dive into this tutorial. All right, so here we are in the dashboard. Now, this is where you would drop your audio script, providing you have one, right? So if you don't have one, no problem. Let's come on up here, and here are outliers. So these are top performing YouTube videos, and you can grab, and this is what I was talking about a little bit earlier today, the secret tool that they have. I don't know of any other program that has this, but you can grab one of these videos and you can use it as a reference and create your own YouTube video using what is already going viral. So that is outliers. And here is script writing. You can create the script right here, and this is where your script is going to appear. Let's come on over here. Here's voiceover. This is where you would copy and paste your script, and then you would choose one of these many voices on the left side. Okay, let's look at these. Now, I'm not doing anything with this right now because I am going to use the outlier section to create my viral content. But again, if you don't have any ideas at all, you can come here and it looks like this program is going to hold your hand through the entire process. Okay, and that's about it for this. But again, we're going to go to outliers, assuming we have no real idea of what we want to do. Now, I have a YouTube channel called Signs and Secrets, and I've been testing out some other software like vidRush and InVideo AI and posting my generations there. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find a video for my Signs and Secrets channel, which is history, mystery, secrets, and let's see here. So look at this. You can filter by category. So whatever you're interested in. Let's go, look at this, true crime, travel. Let's go to history. And since my channel is called Signs and Secrets, Mysteries, why don't we do this one here? So we're going to use this one as a reference. Let's check it out. All right, that's from the History channel. Okay, let's come back. All right, and we are going to click on this button called Cover. How cool is this? All right, so underground alien emerge across the globe, 1,200 words. Okay, and let's go ahead. What is this? This is 8 minutes, about 8 minutes long. Yeah, we want to keep our video about 8 minutes. Goes up to about 20 here, 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and press generate. The AI is working through the process. Let's see. The script generation is done. And let's take a quick look. And then let's go down here and let's generate a voiceover. All right, it's not allowing me to test the vocal. It seems like there's a glitch in the software. But Alex, American Alex, I want probably an English accent. American movie, Mortal Kombat, energetic male, nope. Donald Trump, nope. Meta, okay, let's keep going. POTUS, Elon Musk, no. Ooh.
So,
oh, there we go. It's working.
Effective noise reduction is understanding.
Okay, so it's working now.
Bro, let me tell you how to handle your first date.
And there's
3
Adam.
things you need.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier, and we are official.
Nope. Okay, let's come back up here.
Nicholas. Have you been feeling lost in your spiritual journey, wondering why
All
doors
right, I
keep
like this
closing
one. I like that one. Deep voice.
Have you been feeling lost in...
All right, that's good. And so we selected our voice. And where... Oh, here we go. Generate voiceover. Let's do it.
Somewhere beneath your feet, right now there are tunnels.
All right, so we generated the voice, and it sounds too robotic. Take a quick listen.
Historians, and a whole lot of people who stay up too late watching cable television.
Yeah, it's very dry, so we do not want that. So we're going to go over here, and hopefully the software will allow us to change the voice and regenerate that.
When we look at lottery winners who lose everything within 5 years, despite winning millions.
That looks... Okay, this one sounds good. This is Alec. Let's generate the voiceover.
And honestly, it earns that status. The site is a subterranean city carved into soft volcanic rock, descending roughly 18 stories below the surface.
Okay, I really like Alec. Well done. DVOcean. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see. Click on...
Why go...
Okay, that's Alec, and we're going to generate the video. Okay, the video is done. So let's just take a quick scrub through this to see what we got.
Somewhere beneath your feet, right now, there are tunnels, ancient ones, some carved by hand, barrel through, who stay up too late watching cable television.
Not bad.
It's also the engine driving one of the most watched across the globe. With the real history underneath those carved into soft volcanic rock, descending
so I love
roughly
the
18
zooms.
Stories below. Massive circular stone doors, notable measure.
Yep,
a marvel
nice
of
images,
ancient
resolution
engineering.
looks great.
The mainstream archaeological view places its
Cool.
origins around shifts from the mountainscape, technological body and 6th thread.
There's highlighted text.
And
You have text down here, so it looks like the software did this.
30,000 people live there. Was in June 12 hypothesis. Advanced idea stated of something about the current moment. Appointed to lead a scientific advisory panel. Timothy Galladay serving on that same panel. Certainty of real life. Both things.
Yeah, it looks great. It looks really good. So, but there are a couple things that are missing. I wonder if you can immediately tell what's missing here. So, captions. There are no captions, and I don't think there was an option to place captions in here. And there's no music. And I like to add music to my videos. Now, I did a couple of demo videos for vidRush AI, and that software does have captions and it does have music. However, they're not great. Unfortunately, the music's not great and the captions really aren't great either. So what I'm going to do with this video is I'm going to download this and I'm going to drag it into one of my favorite video editing programs, CapCut. And I'm going to add captions and I'm going to add music. However, I'm not going to add the CapCut music because those could have copyright issues. I'm going to grab my music from Suno AI, and I have a workspace called Cinema Sound Engine and Sound Engine Studios. That's the name of my studio, my home recording studio. And I've already created cinematic songs in here that I'm going to use for this video. And with CapCut, let me just show you CapCut. All right, and in CapCut, I can just drag it in here, and then I'm just gonna go to captions, and I'm not gonna go through the whole process right now, but I am gonna go back. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you my finished video over in YouTube, right on my Signs and Secrets YouTube channel. All right, I'm done, and I uploaded the video to YouTube, but let me head over to YouTube and show you my finished video. And like I said before, I've used vidRush, and I've done a bunch of videos on vidRush, and they do music and captions and all that other stuff and the transitions. However, they're not good, unfortunately. So I wind up going to CapCut anyway to add my own music and add my own captions. Here we are. This is the finished video. I'm going to play just a couple of snippets of this, and then you can tell me what you think.
Somewhere beneath your feet, right now, there are tunnels, ancient ones, some carved by hand through solid rock, stretching down 11 stories, wide enough to roll through solid rock, stretching down 11 stories, wide enough to roll a barrel through. And nobody alive today can say with absolute certainty why they were cataloged in the American Southwest, and one truly staggering underground.
All right, so you get the point, right? You can hear the music and you can see the captions, and I think the captions add so much, and obviously the music also adds so much. It makes the video a lot more interesting. But I know what you're saying. It's counterproductive, counterintuitive, because this software is supposed to do everything, but I have not found any software that does everything well, unfortunately. So I still wind up doing some editing. I'm going to make that recommendation to this company, DVOcean, and I am going to be trying out another software very, very soon in the next couple of days that promises to do all this and more. And again, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm going to have a lot of great content coming up soon. Okay, the final verdict. Is DVOcean worth paying attention to? Yes, especially if you're trying to create long-form videos without spending hours editing. But remember, the tool alone will not make you successful. Go back and review the points that I just stated in this video that will help you become a successful content creator on YouTube. The creators who win are going to be the ones who combine good ideas, strong scripts, smart marketing strategy, and AI tools like this to move faster than everyone else. That is where the opportunity is. If you want more tutorials on AI tools that can help you create content, build online income streams, and save time, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, because we're entering a new era of content creation, and the people who learn these tools early are going to have a serious advantage. I will see you all on the next video.